with Chief Meteorologist John Carroll.
Yeah, and some major issues with that storm really associated with the ice storm that went through from Missouri all the way through to Virginia. Lots of power outages there. And here's what it looks like now. We still have some snow and heavy snow moving through the northeastern portion of Virginia, all through the Delmarva Peninsula and in through southern Pennsylvania and most of New Jersey. So it's very active there and continues to drag that snow across the region. Completely different here. Look at this. See, here's what happens when you go above the fog at the surface. You have beautiful clear skies there at Mount Bachelor, and you can see as the sun has dipped behind the Cascades, this beautiful view of the mountain. And of course, this is just from the parking lot. Not many people left there, but lower elevated locations, it's a little different. You can see dreary conditions through Sisters. Bend has got a little ice on the lens there, and we are seeing some problems on area roadways with reduced visibility. So we have pockets of fog. There is that lingering low-level moisture that will be here overnight tonight and into tomorrow morning. We have a drying out period coming. We have not had 2 days in a row without rain all the way back since the beginning of December. It's been off and on rain ever since then. Mild temperatures are also returning as we'll get up into the 50s by the middle of the week. So a big pattern change for us as we've been stuck in this rather persistent pattern of precipitation. Satellite radar indicates to us that we are on the quiet side now, which is nice. We've been wet enough. We filled the water table up a good way, and we're continuing to monitor the low-level cloudiness. That's the only fly in the ointment that we have. Here it is. This is Highway 20 as it goes up to Sisters and back down in through eastern sections of Deschutes County, and then 97 down the Sun River is a little bit impacted. Moving forward through the night, it doesn't have too much of a chance to get scoured out as there's not that much in the way of wind, so this fog will probably be sticking around as we go forward through the night and into tomorrow. Here's what we have as far as the future track is concerned. This more than likely is the fog being generated by our computer, and then at 7 a.m. we'll still see some of that fog about. Then as we get into the Tuesday afternoon time frame, clouds come in from the coast, overtake the I-5 corridor, get stalled along the Cascades, but we have these high clouds that drift overhead. But we clear out for the nighttime hours, and that allows the temperatures to drop down into the low 20s. Wednesday at 9 o'clock, we have that cloudy start to the day. Not thick clouds, but noticeable clouds. And we have not much sunshine, but not much rain either, so it's just going to be that cloud cover to contend with. Current temperatures, we have a 32 in Sun River, so it's freezing, 30 in Sisters, so if there is fog in Sisters, it might be the freezing fog type. And as we look at our next, say 12 hours or so here in the future track temperatures, we will be seeing temperatures hovering around the freezing mark and then dipping by 5 a.m. down to 24 degrees. So again, the concern for freezing fog is still on the table. 24 degrees, as I mentioned in Bend, 19 in Sun River, 17 in Sisters for the low tonight. Highs tomorrow will get us into the 30s and 40s, about a degree below normal in Bend at 41, 36 in Sisters, 41 in Prineville. So here is what we have for you over the next 7 days. Few clouds come in on Thursday. There is a stray shower possible on Friday, so it's not a completely dry week, but then we clear back out on Saturday with a quiet pattern Sunday.